How to find settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find settings on VK. First open VK and once you're here, all you need to do just click on your profile here, click on it and then click these 3 points and click edit profile. And as you see here, you will find info, and here you can manage your settings, personal info, security, profile, and anything you want here you can manage it. And that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.